I'm so excited about this bird.
Who's that?
Hammercock.
No, it's not.
It is hammercock.
No way.
Yes,
It doesn't
way.
look like it. No. We're in his boat. Oh, Brooks. Hello. Like he's like doing a with his cape.
Too cool. Yeah, I see.
Hippos stay in the water during the day.
And at nighttime they eat grass.
Yeah,
And people.
they eat only at night. There's a white pelican.
Great white pelican.
Yeah.
He's sitting on Maybe I can look and get it. Oh, stinky.
I love that smell.
You do?
Look at him. Yeah, I do. I don't know, it's nautical.
Oh.
Dude, he's posing. Like, I'm getting some buttes.
Let's get the hips.
Wish one would yawn again, that'd be cool.
Yeah. Keep ready.
I know. They're crazy, aren't they? They're watching.
Seems like a boring life, just sitting there all day floating.
They seem pretty content about it. Oh, look at that one. Look at that one.
He's getting up. Oh, he's stretching. Oh, he's exhausted. Oh, he has some eye goobies. Might not be a good thing.
Dude, I've never seen one like this. This is psycho. They scare me.
Oh.
They're like
Oh,
logs.
bye.
Bye-bye.
Great. Yeah. Okay. He has really pretty eyes if you look close.
That's a beautiful boat.
Look at that's ironic patience.
I like that. It's a good motto for fishing. Isn't it?
Who's freaking out? It's pretty. I like when they do that with their beak.
So I'll take my fish. Just a minute.
This is wild. Are you kidding?
Do you train them?
Yeah, I got fish now.
Wow.
What kind of fish?
You ready?
Oh, he's coming. Oh my God, stop.
Get it. Did he get it?
Yes. He got it.
Floats?
It's floating.
Oh, I thought it would sink. That's awesome. Four. Wait. Yeah, four. Bing. You're okay, bucko. Hippo birdies. Literally.
Oh.
For now, it's a really high.
Okay.
Did it flood?
Yeah. Because the island was connected.
Wow. That's crazy. So cool. film location of Out of Africa right here. That's so crazy.
And we'll watch it tonight.
Let's see if we can get any. If we can like recognize it. I don't know.
Who's that? Ding, ding, ding. A weaver?
That's cool. Yeah, but like.
We call it crescent because of the shape.
Yeah.
We must start from here going up to that side.
Okay.
Do you know why this is the location?
Correct?
Why was this?
It's Casey's favorite movie.
It doesn't fit.
Are you videoing?
Uh huh.
Oh, damn. I want to see that on video.
Dragonfly. Or maybe a mayfly or something.
Yeah, maybe Mayfly. Dragonflies have double sets of wings, right?
Uh huh.
I think. Maybe it's a June fly.
Oh, you funny.
That's a big wing.
That is.
They can just stand on the.
While it's like rolling.
There's some that, oh, I'm sorry. There's some that have like enormous, like double their size.
They're cool.
Four of them.
That call was wild. Do you hear that?